This is Craig Trombley, and I am the Community Manager for the Open Source Analytic Database community. We know working with InfoBright is really easy. So if you're already familiar with MySQL, then you already know InfoBright. All of your existing tools and your environments remain the same, but here at the community, we wanted to make your job one step easier. So we've put together a collection of examples that all surround working with InfoBright. This download contains sample projects and source code that you can use. The software projects, they've all been combined into a single download and organized into specific languages. So whether your language is Java or C++, C# or PHP, we have a tool or a sample project for you. Different architectures and design patterns have been supported, and more will be released in the future. So let's walk through a few of these examples. Using Eclipse, open the Java project, which is an ideal project for the Linux admin who likes using CLI. And please be sure to download and properly link the JDBC connector for MySQL before compiling the source. We've built in support for parameter passing, and we've documented the source code, making it very easy for you to modify. And this is a perfect example on how to connect and properly compute many of the InfoBright compression statistics. And because we are a column-based storage engine, our compression ratios vary from table to table based on column types. So when you run the source, you can see the compression ratios, and we've also included both Bash and Windows files for working with the jar file. Now for the Microsoft Professional, we've put together an incredible example on how to use InfoBright using model view model design patterns in a WPF project. So again, you must download the .NET MySQL driver and include the reference. Now all of this code has been released under the open source MIT license, so you can use and modify this code to your own needs. You'll find examples on how to properly bind, work with data errors, and navigate between controls and screens. We've refactored the views into their own components, and following model view model principles, we were able to provide a great starting point for any database application using WPF. The code has been well documented and segmented using regions, making it very easy to follow. And we've organized it into different controls, resources, and view models. So in these controls, you'll find database statistics, column statistics, and table statistics. In the view model classes, properties were supported with iData errors and support all the correct user events in case someone enters incorrect information, making this a very user-friendly application. So once connected, though, you will get a list of the databases, and then of course the tables, and lastly the columns, each of them showing different compression ratios and statistics for InfoBright. All of this code can be downloaded at infobright.org. We have virtual machines and contributed software, but most importantly, join the forums and learn from the experts. We offer free webinars, so watch for our upcoming events. Infobright.org, we're working smarter, not harder.